Okay, so even with this pencil die grinder that I got here, let me show you how this baby, see now, you got the nubs here that the clips go on that hold the chrome, the rocker trim on there. And watch how this baby will get in here. I mean, we're getting rid of the rock. Right up to the pin. Right up. I mean, it gets no better than that. My brother Robert gave me this. He come down one day, and I was working in the garage. And I was actually working on something like this. And he said, I got the tool that you'll be able to get right up in there and clean that up. And I was like, oh boy, my brother, what is he talking about? He told me to stop by and get it. And the rest is history. Look at that. This ate the rust right up out of there. So now, see, I come around with the grinding disc. And it's really just cleaned up now. I mean, honestly, the grinding disc won't get right up against that pin. Trust me. I mean, it's tedious. And then you ain't got to worry about, you know, eating off the head of that either. You know, but if this was rusted out right here, what I would do is cut out a little, you know, square, weld a piece in, and then you would just use a screw. Unless they got a tool that you could put these back on. But like I say, this shop, or you know, my little garage here, I'm just showing you how to get stuff done. And I'm just using basic tools to get this done with. Alright, so I cut this. I'm gonna bend this over. Try to get this bent over. So I'll take a stick and put it on there. And I'm gonna cut here. Cut this off. Closer than that. Alright. So I cut them off. So when I hammered that down, see it flatten out across there. Takes a little getting used to. Alright, so now see that, and then I'm just gonna seam seal this up. You know, I still gotta weld these sections up. I probably put a weld right here at the end where those meet at. I could open this up a little bit more, but I'm selling the car, but I just don't. I could have just mudded this area up. And the thing is with these older cars, I used to have problems with them all the time. You go to shut the door, or you open the door in the grass, cars sit so low, and get stuck on the grass. Or somebody, friends used to pull on the door, try to get them to shut. And if this is all rusted and mudded up, it's just gonna tear. Used to just dig the dirt out the ground when you close the door, Yeah. And that's what it's gonna do again. So I come back in, weld this up, I seam seal it. Then this door is finished. All I gotta do is do the body work on the other side, rehang these doors after I jam the car. Good to go. Alright, now, as you see, I got this all done. I could have did this a little better in this corner, but it's gonna be alright. I gotta weld this in, weld this across here, and then it has seam sealer on it from the factory, so I'll put seam sealer over all of this. Seam seal the other side. So that's how you patch these. I normally could have been a little better, but it's all good. But that's how you patch these. So I'm gonna weld this in, weld this around here. The other side is all welded in already. It's nice and solid, man. Nice and solid. I got this welded in. I put a tap on that corner just a little bit. Just to make sure that that's all gonna be sealed up around there. So if you see, just put a little tack on that corner. And I grind it on that. You don't want to grind on this lip too much. Here, you know, could grind a hole in it. But that's pretty much sealed up. So now I come and I put some seam sealer in there. Get that all seam sealed up. Finish grinding this out. So instead of using this tube, when I'm doing certain cars, this is according to what the application is called for, I just mix, so I'm not wasting everything that's in that tube. I just take out what I need here. I take out what I need, and then I normally just mix this together real good. You know, the stuff is kind of pricey, so instead of wasting, you know, you mix body filler up, I just mix it together. You know, I want to spray this off first. I cleaned it with cleaner already. I just want to make sure there's no dust on there, so I'm just gonna spread this on here with my hand. All right, so now I'm gonna walk you around here. Show you both sides. So now that's all done. Now I scuffed the rest of this. I'm gonna super glue this back on, and I'm gonna try to tape this off. Super glue this on, try to tape this off. But what I found a lot of times is that when you come to peel that off, that sticker's probably not gonna, and it's gonna mess me up if it does that. Then I come around this side, and this is the corner I just had to clean up. This corner wasn't, you know, I didn't really have to do no body work on this corner. But it's all sealed up now, the rust is gone. Now I just gotta I'll scuff this whole thing, and then it'll be ready to jam when I jam the rest of when I jam the car there. You know, I still got to scuff all of that up, finish the body work down there at the bottom. You know, get all of that finished, and when I'm ready to jam the rest of this, it should be ready. So, all right, thanks a lot.